The engine quiets, the ramp lowers, and you step onto the pavement of Piraeus. It's not quite Athens, not quite the islands. It's the liminal zone between your departure and destination. But what if this in-between wasn't just something to kill time in, but something to savor? Piraeus is more than Greece's busiest port. It's a layered city humming with activity, history, and hidden charm. Whether you've got a couple of hours before your cruise departs or a full afternoon between ferries, this city knows how to keep you entertained, fed, and inspired. Start with the harbor itself. Pasilamani, Z Marina, offers a tranquil contrast to the main port chaos. Take a scenic stroll among luxury yachts and charming cafes. There's nothing quite like sipping a Freddo espresso while watching the light dance on the water. Craving culture? The Archaeological Museum of Piraeus is just a short walk away, often overlooked by travelers racing to the islands. Its bronze statues and maritime exhibits bring ancient Greece to life in a quiet, uncrowded setting. Hungry for more than just knowledge? Venture into the back streets for some of the best seafood in Athens. Try grilled octopus, saganaki, or a quick souvlaki from a trusted local taverna. If you're tight on time, grab a kalouri, sesame bread ring, and eat like a true Athenian on the move. Got luggage? Several modern storage services near the port will safeguard your bags while you explore hassle-free. And if you're craving a bit of shopping, Piraeus offers everything from indie boutiques to familiar global brands. Even just an hour in Piraeus can recharge you before the next leg of your journey. This isn't just a stopover. It's a stage where the everyday Greek lifestyle plays out in real time. What would you choose to do first if you had a few hours in Piraeus before your ferry or cruise?